Though I have great respect for UPSC, but if they have to maintain the dignity, the honor. Everybody respect them because we thought they are the impartial people. Until now they were impartial. But now if they ask the question that post-poll violence in Bengal, and if they ask the question that farmers issue are violent, if they ask the question Delhi regarding oxygen, don't you think this opposition states is being marked only to give the message to the aspirant candidate for CAPF that you have to give full support to BJP, and whatever BJP will say that you have to accept, otherwise you are not being entitled. What is this? Is it sure? I think that anybody can ask the question, even if you go to court also, court will not accept that also. Anybody can go, any candidate can go to the court also, even any common people can go to the court, even any who are doing the social work, especially right to information, they can ask, because this is really, I am shocked to see this question. Sometimes they will ask that there is India, only one citizen is there, tell the names. Every project, you see their name is there. Every project, every scheme, even sky to heaven, even soil to sky, land to sky. Don't you think that there should be some dignity? What is this? Who are doing this nuisance? Do you think that forcefully you will bulldoze the Constitution of India? You will bulldoze the federal structure of India? You will bulldoze the democracy of India? You will bulldoze all the institution of India? He will bulldoze the impartiality of the right to work or democratic rights or fundamental rights to the people? Is it not my fundamental right? When you are accusing somebody, abusing somebody, do you think it is proper, it is impartial? That's why before election, I raised the issue that at the time of election, they allowed CAPF only to capture the booth, and they are killing the people. You know, Dinhata, they have Shitalkuchi, they have beaten the people like anything. They just behave just like BJP party members. Why I raise this issue? I don't have any ill motive, because I have seen, nowadays I am watching how they are behaving. Some people are going through the airport area. Now airport security asking, there are some Bengal reporters who are traveling with me. They have been asked, क्या आप दीदी का सपोर्टर है ना मोदी का सपोर्टर है? Is it the way to behave? क्या कंट्री को क्या दे रहा है? कंट्री को तो खत्म कर रहा है आप लोगों ने. पोस्टपोल वायलेंस कहाँ हुआ? त्रिपुरा में क्या हुआ? देखा नहीं, आंख नहीं है, आंखों में क्या है? छुपा रुस्तम हो गया है. त्रिपुरा में कोई आदमी जाने नहीं सकता है, आसाम में नहीं जा सकता है, यूपी में नहीं जा सकता है. बीजेपी रूल स्टेट में कोई जर्नलिस्ट भी बात नहीं कर सकता है. कोई जर्नलिस्ट आपको खिलाफ में लिखता है तो उसको भी अपडेट करा देता है. बंगाल में तो कोई केस ही नहीं हुआ है. प्रीपोल अलायंस का टाइम में सीएपीएफ गोली किया था, वो प्रीपोल अलायंस का. पोस्टपोल अलायंस में कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, पूरा झूठा दिया. अभी तक देखिए ना, ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन को भी बीजेपी का मेंबर भर दिया. नेशनल कमीशन वुमेन को भी आप देखिए ना कौन है. आप लोग इसको पूरा बायोडाटा ले लीजिए और देख लीजिए ये लोग कौन है. जो लोग ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन का रिपोर्ट दिया, जो बंगाल में आए थे, ये लोग कौन थे? कौन थे? आई कैन चैलेंज इट, बिकॉज आई नो देयर बीजेपी एक्टिविटीज, देयर एबीपी एक्टिविटीज. आई नो देयर Twitter and Facebook handling. I have seen it in my own eyes. So this is wrong, absolutely wrong. They have to pay for this. Don't forget, today you are in power, but tomorrow you may not be. Chair is not permanent for all, but the constitution is permanent. The country is permanent. The democracy is permanent. The institution is permanent. You cannot destroy the secular fabric of our country. You cannot destroy the moral of the people. You cannot compel the people to write in favor of you. Suppose I am not your supporter, why I will use your photo? You compulsory COVID certificate, you give photo. I don't like you. but I have to carry this. Why? Where is the freedom of the people? Now you allow death certificate also, your photo? It's too much.
দিদি দিদি
আর না,
দিদি যাচ্ছেন